Before you became a parent or even thought about becoming one, you were already learning how to respond to stress, connection, conflict, and emotion. Not from books, not from training, but from your earliest relationships and experiences. If you've ever found yourself reacting in ways you don't fully understand, if you've thought, why did I snap like that? Or why does this feel so big? You're not broken. You have an inner child. And that inner child still carries the emotional patterns, needs, and survival strategies that helped you get through your early, most formative years. This series is about reparenting, not about blaming your past and not shaming yourself for your reactions, but understanding them with compassion so that they can transform. Reparenting isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about noticing what is getting activated, learning how your nervous system responds, and building a grounded, compassionate inner parent, one moment and one step at a time. In this series, we'll explore how your inner child shapes your adult reactions, why shame keeps cycles going, how self-compassion actually regulates your nervous system, and what reparenting looks like in real life, not Instagram quotes. You can watch these videos in any order, but if this is your first time here, welcome. I recommend starting from the beginning and letting yourself move slowly. Slowing down is good for your nervous system and helps you create the reality that you seek. You don't need to rush healing. You just need presence. I'm Dr. Lara Barbir, clinical psychologist and reparenting specialist, and this is Reparenting 101, the Inner Child series.